How to check someone's best friend list on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure to launch a Snapchat app on your device. Now simply you have to head towards the chat icon at bottom left corner of the screen. And you need to open the Snapchatters for whom you want to see the best friend list of. Simply tap their profile at top of the screen. Now here, you need to select three dots at top right corner and choose Manage Friendship. Now under Manage Friendship, we don't see the direct option in order to see their best friend list. Also, when you check their profile, we can see that friendship are private. So what you can do is simply, you can move ahead to your profile at top left corner and tap Snapchat Plus. So if you have a Snapchat Plus, you can tap on three dots again at top right and you can simply purchase the different features on Snapchat Plus that help us in order to access your best friend list. And after that, you can be able to check someone's best friend list on Snapchat. For now, that is only the alternative way to see someone's best friend list on Snapchat. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.